Hello there everyone, and welcome to another UXWBill video. Years ago, someone going by the screen name LinuxLove4004 posted a comment on one of my Silver Buick related videos stating that it was very difficult to pitch shift a car horn. Then they went ahead and made a video of themselves actually doing so. Unfortunately, I have no idea where the comment has gone. It's probably disappeared, and it seems that the video of this feat did as well. But today, we're going to find out just how true that may or may not be, and whether or not the world-famous Casio SK-1 sampling keyboard, put some cheesy reverb on that one, is actually up to the challenge of sampling Naughty Truck's horn. Now, the only problem is it's kind of a windy day while I'm doing this, but we'll just see what happens. I finally got around to repairing this thing, so that terrible hacked-in power adapter is gone, and this thing can actually run properly from batteries again. So let's go ahead and get our sample here and just see what happens. I don't know if I got it. We'll find out. Nope, I didn't get it. I hope I got it that time. Oh yes, I did. You know what's next, don't you? Let's try the built-in demo song, being as I'm about as clued up on keyboard playing as I am fashion sense. Well, I don't know about you, but I think that went very well. What's not going so well is my effort behind the camera to maintain a straight face and not just bust up laughing. And I think it will be very difficult to get completely constructive comments on this video, but if you happen to have one, please do feel free to share it. And as always, thank you for watching. Yeah.